Hi guys, so it's me, Skylar, and Sophia, andun siya Sophia. Ikaw guys, okay, natapos na yung problem. So, itutur ko na kayo sa sa drawer na naman. Ito yung drawer namin dati, pero pinalitan na. Ito na. Ayan mga guys, ayan. Ito yung una guys. Sino nga naman yan? Si Hello Kitty guys. Yan. Ayan, si Hello Kitty. Yung di ko City ata to City. Tsaka dito yung flower yung ginawa ng ate ko. Tsaka ito. Heart. May melody guys, hindi nyo makita. Tsaka si Chromie. May si Croppy. At tsaka ayan, rainbow. Chromie. Tsaka guys, comment daw pala kung sino to. Tsaka comment down below kung ano din. Si may melody. Tsaka ang cute ni Chromie. Ayan o, makasame siya lang. So, ayan na. Guys. Ay, tsaka ito, sino naman ito? Basta, tsaka sino naman? Ito guys. Ayun. Okay guys. Ang dami guys. Itong pang alis namin. Ito yung jack ko. Ito yung face mask. Ito yung face mask guys. Guys, ito yung face mask yung parang panghawak at hindi na itatanggal siya. Ang galaw ka na. Talaga. Next, itong ganito. Slime siya. Pero pag ganito, hard. Pag bored ka, ganito yung break. Kasi wala akong natin sira. Kotse. Tsaka krone na blind bag. At tsaka dito yung mga bag namin. Anong ginagawa mo? Ito yung mga bag namin. Ito yung bag ko. Ito yung bag. Say hi! Say hi to the vlog. Say hi! Nanonood siya si Cherry. Shout out pala kay Cherry.
And you can actually put something inside. You can actually open it.
Oopsies. Ayan. So, back to itong panty namin. Ito yung kay ate at dito yung sa akin. So, close na natin ito. Guys, close na natin ito. Ito pala, pinilit pala namin ito sa SM ito. Or egg. Ayan. Tada! Yan yung pang-alis namin. Tsaka dito. Basta, I'm excited. So, ayan. Ito yung mga pangbahay namin. Meron pang dito. Meron pang dyan. Tsaka dito, ay, narinig nyo yun guys. Mag-pause kayo tsaka iulit nyo. Ayan, si Hello Kitty. Ito yung, ano namin, yung leggings at tsaka pajamas. Magulo onte eh. So, yeah. So, and 3, 2, 1, go! So guys, help natin si ate. So,
Lots of
dito.
colorful and cute stuff. So this is gonna be easy for me. Okay, which of these wallpapers are cute? This one? No, this looks like a baby's wallpaper. Ew. No, 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 no. Yeah, I'm not gonna use this. How many pink cows do you need to murder to make this wallpaper? How many? You make this one. What is this wallpaper supposed to be? What is this? This random pink thing looks kind of like a poop. Oh wait. Alright, there we go. I found a wallpaper that suits this room. Okay, now let's change the flooring. Let's change it to this. Ew, no, never mind. You know what? Let's just use this. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna find a cute bed. Aha, perfect. Actually, no, never mind. Okay, let's give her this bed. Yeah, she sleeps like this. Wait, maybe I should use this bed? Yeah, you know what? I'm using this bed. There we go. Oh, I know this one. Oh my gosh, there's too many cute stuff. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna use this bed. We're gonna add a table. Okay, let's add this table next to this bed. Now we're gonna add another table.
So guys,
This one. There
dito
we go.
next tayo.
Now we're gonna have like a computer or a
Lang.
laptop. I don't know. Wait, there is a laptop.
Wait lang guys, dito ka na muna.
It's small. I'm too lazy to get it, so I'm just gonna add a computer. Yeah, let's give her a very, very old computer from the 80s that no one uses anymore. Okay, no, no, no. I'm just gonna add this random thing. I don't know. It looks cool, so I add it. Okay, I'm just gonna put this boring computer. Okay, now we're gonna add the chair. Okay, there we go. Alright, now we're gonna add stuff on the wall. So we need to add lots and lots of cute stuff like this big bird and a bunch of fruits. Aha, this one. Alright, what else? There's Now's picture. Alright, what else? This shell picture. Yeah, let's add that. Alright, what else should I add? Oh yeah, let's add this.
Barbie
Put this
ko.
right there. Put
Say
these
hi.
right here. And this one
Hi,
right
everyone.
here. And these random posters. And this.
Careful yan, ano?
And this.
Sige.
Here we go. Set this right here. It's
Dali.
looking cute now. Yay! That's more random posters. Okay, now we're gonna add a cute rug.
Guys,
So,
tingnan.
let's add this one. There we
Wow.
go.
Pero guys, sa reality, sobrang ganda niya.
Rug. I'll just put it right
Sorry
there.
guys,
There
no
we go.
na,
I'll put it right here.
kasi busy kami.
This room still looks empty. It needs
Para-
more. Okay, there we go. I moved the computer here and I moved her bed here. Alright, now I have to add some more stuff. Let's add plants. Which one should I add? Let's add this. Wait, I'm gonna add more tables.
Ito yung Barbie ng
Where's the
ate
random
ko.
strawberry table? Oh, there it is. Let's add this right here. Let's add more plants on that table. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Set it right here next to the window. There, this is looking cute. Alright, now we're gonna put more stuff. Just add random pillows over here, and this random flower pillow over there, and another one next to it, and a
Okay,
watermelon.
guys.
And what else? What else should I add? Oh,
Ito
yes,
yung
more
Barbie ko
pillows.
dati, pero naging Barbie na ng
Everywhere.
ate
Do we need curtains? Yeah, maybe we do. Or should I just keep on adding more pillows? Yeah, let's
May
add
ano dun
pillows
siya, pero ito
everywhere.
wala.
Okay, there we go. More pillows, literally everywhere. Yeah, it's messy, but at least it looks cute. I think I'm making my room not
Guys,
even
shout
cute.
out
Wait,
kay
wait, wait.
Cherry
Okay, there we
Cat
go. There. There's
Production.
not so much pillows anymore. Okay, now we're gonna add a random lamp next to the bed. Wait.
Pwede ako dun.
Right.
Bawal
It won't let me put up there, but it let me put down here.
Tapos
Okay,
na ako
there we go. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Should I
So
add a
guys,
random
yung sa
cat lamp?
unahan, dito yung parang
Alright,
pang
now we're gonna add curtains. Where are the curtains? Oh,
guys.
there we go.
Sorry
Right
guys
here.
na ano.
This one right here. Okay, there. Now let's add more curtains. Come on, there we
Pares
go.
kay
Okay,
madali para mag-vlog
perfect.
ka na dito.
Oh,
Tulungan mo ako.
Transparent. That means the set can stalk us now. Okay, I had too much fun decorating Enid's room. I wish this was my room. Okay, let's bring out Wednesday and Enid. There, how do you guys like your room? Let's add hearts in her eyes, or she loves her room. Yay! There, this is your room. I kind of want your room, Enid, but no, this is they can't steal it from you. Oh yeah, ignore these 2 rooms. Yeah, these 2 rooms are totally useless. You don't need to look at it. Okay, so on Wednesday, you like your room? There, I made it creepy as possible. So do you like it? No comment. Okay. Okay, let's go bring Wednesdays in Enid's twins, aka Vinny and Cherry. So let's bring you here. They look the same. Oh no. Oh no, they look too similar. Even Cherry and Enid. Actually, Vinny is inspired by Wednesday, but Cherry is not inspired by Enid, okay? Cherry is an original character, okay? There are many other characters that has Enid's personality, okay? Okay, so she's not the only one who has the Cherry personality. Neither does Wednesday. Does Cherry like Enid's crew? And if she likes it, so does Enid. Yay! 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 Okay, so this video likes the Wednesday crew. No comment too. Great. So you both are basically twins. And I guess
Guys,
that's the end of the
ang
video.
damot ng
Well
ate.
guys, that's all the time we have for
Chong
today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you
Galit
do,
lang.
please give this video a like. And if you haven't already, new Neutrogena Visible Repair. Repairs wrinkles in 7 days and protects collagen. Neutrogena. Hey gamers! Sophie here and welcome to Cherry Pop Productions Gaming. If you're new here, welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a like and subscribe. Today we're back at Toka Life World because there's a Halloween
Saka ito,
event, I think. So
Barbie.
let's check it out.
Hindi ko alam kung ano. Huh?
Okay, so where is
Okay,
it? Where's
tapos
the
na.
Halloween update? Doesn't look the Halloween is. Oh, there's Cherry's house right there. Where is it? Looks normal to me. I don't think anyone here is celebrating Halloween.
Tingnan mo. Diyan ko linagay yung ano.
Okay, there is a Halloween, a big morning meadow pack, mystery pack, and the rest are not Halloween packs. So I have to buy it. This mystery pack and morning meadow pack. I don't know. Maybe we'll get the mystery pack first. So why doesn't get is this crazy man?
Guys, wait lang.
And there's
Ayan
many
guys,
characters
nasa
here.
loob na talaga.
Sinapin ko lang. May sapin sa lalim.
Said hi.
Ay.
Ay, hindi, hi. Ay,
Gusto mo ka na sumapa.
hindi, hi. Ay, hindi, ay, hi. So,
Yeah.
bye guys to the vlog.
Bye.
To the vlog. Bye.